Can't tell if the trailer tires are released or if they're dragging. We'll need a chain. There's a couple hanging off the back of the 105. Maybe 2 chains. Hey, this is Caleb at Wood Prairie. Today we're going to get the Ford LTL 9000 fired up, taken into town, get it inspected. We've got to get seed in here in a few weeks so we can plant our own crop. So we're going to use that truck and we're going to go hook it up to the trailer now and we can do that. Yeah, so it's super windy today. It has been really nice. It's been like mid-50s for the past couple of weeks, but today it's just frigid. It's like 30 and windy. It's not much fun. So sorry about the mics. It's gonna probably not sound that great. Here we go. So we picked this truck up a few years ago. We were just kind of maxing out what we could pull with my pickup and trailer. We got this just for the heavier loads and the bigger stuff, so we weren't beating up on the standard stuff quite so much. This is a 1988 Ford LTL 9000. It's got a 3406B Caterpillar engine. We bought it down in southern Maine from a construction company. They had it hooked onto a lowboy trailer for hauling equipment. So now I've got to crank the jacks up, hook up the glad hands and the electrical, and then we can get out of here. So now that we're hooked up, we're just gonna wait for the airbags and the air tanks on the trailer to air up, release the brakes, and we can get out of here. Like certain trailers have different suspensions. So you can have like leaf spring suspension, air suspension like this has, and like bread trucks and stuff will have air suspension so that it rides better and bread and stuff doesn't get crushed or squished or whatever. So these are what they call airbag suspension or airbags on a big truck or trailer. These are literally rubber bags that fill up with compressed air, and that's what the whole trailer and truck rides on. So the truck's got those as well. It just makes the ride a lot nicer than the old standard leaf springs and things like that. Can't tell if the trailer tires are released or if they're dragging. You could notice if the back tires on the trailer are moving or if they're just dragging. They're dragging? That's not good. Okay, well, this will make the video interesting. We'll go get the tractor. We'll need a chain. There's a couple hanging off the back of the 105. Maybe 2 chains. So I thought the ground was dry enough. It's still a little bit wet. I could have sworn, especially even backing in here, it felt like the ground was firm enough to come out. But I'm thinking that the brakes on the trailer might be sticking a little bit from sitting all winter. So that was just enough to make me spin a little bit, and now I'm stuck here. So Justin's gonna bring the white 135 out, and just to help me get out at the wet grass. These trucks are really useless. As soon as there's any little bit of moisture or grass, they're just done. So, you know, made for road use, but yeah, so we'll get the tractor up here and get this pulled right out. Here he comes with the tractor. I think the brakes drug on the trailer a little bit. It was just enough to make me spin, and now I'm done. Not a fan of that chain. Swap it out. Well, I guess it wasn't me. I guess the tire is sticking. Okay, well, we're gonna take this down the road and see if it can bounce the brakes loose. Okay. Didn't take nearly as much as I thought it was going to, so that's good. Okay. the last thing before inspection, I just noticed my headlights aren't working, so we need to look at that. Okay, so we got the truck pulled out, we're back in the yard. We're just gonna wait for my buddy to get some more stickers so we can get this inspected so it's ready to go on the road and pick up some seed.